Hello everyone, welcome to Camel Young Artist Workshop. Myself Snehal Salunkhe and I am the host of today's workshops. So today we are going to make this portrait painting, Girl in a Vintage Mirror. So we are going to use this 8 by 10 inch canvas board. Next 24 shades Artist Acrylic Color, Camel Acrylic Colours, and next we are using this artist brushes. It's a set of 7 brushes. So yeah, let's get started. First we'll draw the portrait. I'll be using this yellow color, lemon yellow, to apply the base, and if needed yellow ochre too. We apply the toning to the canvas before doing any nature painting, portrait painting, because it gives proper finish. It absorbs the color properly. It gives the finished touch. So always before painting, we should apply toning base. I'll call out the shades. I have used this lemon yellow and white color. Add a little bit of water. Make a light tone. Don't make it too much dark, okay? And I'll apply like randomly. You have to paint the whole canvas first. We are preparing up our canvas. This technique is known as toning. We are using this flat brush number 8, okay? So I'm done with the toning. Once this canvas will dry, we first have to draw the circle, and mostly we are going to use the skin tones, brown shade, yellow, white, so you can keep that shades in front of you. So if your canvas has already dried, you can make the circle. Don't make it in a center, just make it in bit upper side. Keep a little bit of space downside because we have to make that hand and mirror handle. So if your canvas have dried, just make a circle. Don't make it too much darker, make it lighter. So I have made this circle bit upper side. You can keep the 2 fingers from upside and 4 to 5 fingers a palm from downside, okay? This is the approx ratio. We are keeping the space little bit downside because we have to make that hand, mirror and everything. We just have to make this mirror. We don't have to draw this design. So I'll start with painting this face. We have to take the half part to draw this face, okay? We are making this straight line and then slanting line, chin type. Then draw the ears. You have to adjust the ratio. You don't have to make the draw that ear bit upper also and lower also. Like take it in middle. Start from here. Okay. So we're going to draw the neck. That L type structure. We also have to show a shoulder kind of structure here. I'll draw this wavy hairs. I'll draw the handle of the mirror. So I'm taking the reference of this picture. And for making finger, as it's like holding this, so first we have to make this thumb. I'll also draw this dress now only. White color dress. So I'll start by painting this face first. I'll be using this portrait pink color. I'm going to mix this pink, portrait pink shade with other shades, okay? After this I'm going to add a little bit amount of yellow ochre. We need to make the 3 shades, okay? I'm using this flat brush. The number of this brush is 2. Use medium size brush, okay? Don't use larger and smaller brush, okay? I'll now mix these shades. Use a little bit amount of water with it. As these colors are highly pigmented, don't use directly this paints on canvas, otherwise your brush will get stuck. I'll use this shade to highlight the portion, okay? You don't have to apply too much pressure while painting this, okay? I'll try to add bit orange color to this shade to make this skin tone. I'm taking a little bit amount of orange color. First step, don't add too much color. If you needed more amount of color, you can add it later. Always it's better to take small amount of color. So I'll proceed further. And for making it lighter, you can add a white color also. So जो remaining part है face का, वो हम लोग पूरा पेंट करेंगे. You don't have to keep any space. And this same shades we have to use the downside also, okay? And for ears also. Till then, I'll be finishing this ear wala portion. Mix the orange color with the white one. You will get the perfect skin tone shade. We have to paint the whole skin part of this girl. हम लोग ये फिंगर्स भी पेंट कर लेंगे. जो स्किन पार्ट है वो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पूरा पेंट करके लेना है. देन विल गोइंग टू ऐड द डिटेलिंग. This highlighted part is not showing up, so I will add a little bit amount of white color in the shade which we have made before. So I'll going to add a little bit amount of white color. अगर आपका ये शेड प्रॉपर शो कर रहा है देन नो नीड टू मेक इट मच लाइटर. Always add 2-3 drops of water. Don't add much water also. So once you are done with highlighted part of face, you can start the highlighted part of the neck portion. See, यहाँ पे और एक highlighted part है. So I am highlighting the part as you can see here. Done. Now I am going to use the round brushes for other parts. This is the 6 number round brush. I'll highlight the fingers also, okay? So I'm highlighting the outer part of the fingers or face. Yeah, so I'm done with highlighting. We'll be using this burnt umber shade to show the depthness of this neck and all. जो पहले skin tone बनाया है उसमें ही add करो ये shade. Don't apply it directly. Add a little bit amount of water. Don't add too much water. I have added this brown color to pre-mixed skin tone only. जो हम लोग ने skin tone वाला shade बनाया था ना उसमें ही use किया है. So I'll be showing the depthness and painting this bottom line or bottom side of the neck face. You can see the strokes, how it's highlighting. These are the important part of the portraits. So I'll let you know how we can decide the highlighted and depthness part of the portrait. Always check out from which side the light is coming. Here the light is coming from this side. So I have highlighted this part of the painting, okay? So I'll be adding the depthness to this side, okay? I need to add more amount of brown color so it will show it up. We'll proceed further to highlight the ears. For making this ear, I'll let you know a simple technique. Don't get it too much detail. ये comma वाला बना लो पहले. Then this half U shape kind of structure. Then this line done. Try to learn the shades first. The technique, the easy technique. So yeah, we are done with the ears also. The collar bones and all will highlight now. And once you all are done with your painting, you can upload and share your images with me, and you can tag the Kokuyo Camlin and me, that is Snehu's Magic. I love to see your outcome. We have done with this face wala part. Now I'll move to finger. I'll be adding a detailing. As you can see the finger lines and all. We have to make this like this. We'll be adding the neck wala detailing and all afterwards. I'll wash my brush and we have to blend that ear part. Let it dry for 1 minute, then start blending. Wait for some minutes to blend. We are blending this because we don't have to make it much darker. We have to blend this part also. Blending means, so yeah, we are done with this. I'll move forward and paint the hairs. So for painting hairs, I'll be using a brown shade and black shade. For base, I'm using this burnt umber. So first I'll be add a little bit amount of water, then start. Don't use a lot of amount of black color. So I'll be adding a little bit amount of yellow ochre color. Take this color aside, don't mix. I have mixed this shade with yellow ochre color to show the highlighted part of the hair. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा कर लेते हैं. So we'll now move forward to the cloth वाला part. I'll be using this white paint to make the beautiful top. Firstly you have to paint the base, then afterwards we'll add the strokes. We'll show up the strokes and depthness with the grey color for this frock. Now I'll be using a little bit amount of black shade. You can take this grey shade also. Yeah, so we are done with this. I'll move forward to the mirror wala part, the outer cover of the mirror. I'll be using the yellow ochre color for designing the mirror. मैं थोड़ा water add कर रही हूँ yellow ochre color में. Don't use as it is. Mix the proper water with the color. So यहाँ पे middle में एक circle है, then curvy S kind of designs. So I'll make a circle in the center part of the mirror. We'll be needing more water. I'll let you know the simple technique to make this intricate design, okay? You can make this S kind of structure. And after that, make a circle inside it. This. Add it with dot. This is the perfect technique. Now here we are making some W kind of structure like this. I have done making the design of one side. Be making the design to the another side. So I'll be adding a bit detailing in the middle. जहाँ पे थोड़ा space लग रहा है ना, you can add a dots like this kind of to make it more prettier and intricate, okay? Once you are done with this coloring and all process, we can proceed further for the detailing of this finger. I need to show the nails. Once we are done with showing nails, I'll show you how to make a detailing pattern of this mirror. I'm using white color to show the nails. We also need to make the earrings. We are done with the nails. Now I'll be making the earrings with this pointed brushes. The smallest one, 0 number brush, okay? Make a dot and then we have to make the N shape wala earrings. So half one in front and the half one at the back side, okay? As it will show up properly on the black shade. You can add a little bit amount of water if you need it. We are done with the earring. We are using white and brown shade. White for the highlighted part and brown for the depthness, okay? I am using white color shade for highlighted part. We are making a flowery kind of structure here. Just don't cover it up the pre-made design. Just add a highlight. So yeah, we are done with this highlighted part. Now we are going to add the depth to it with brown shade. I'm mixing this brown shade here only. I'll be adding a little bit of yellow ochre to the brown as this brown is bit darker. I'll be adding 2-3 drops of water to it. You can add random patterns also inside or outside this. और यहाँ पे थोड़ा नीचे बचा है वो कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. We are done with this detailing of the mirror. You can tag Kokuyo Camlin and Snehu's Magic, that is me, Snehal Saunkhya. So do tag us, do share your outcome with us. We would love to see your outcome. Let me know, did you all enjoyed it? So yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.